Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to create any shapes of the 3D bottles in Blender 3.6. I'm going to show you the easiest way which you can generate any shapes of the bottles just in minutes. Now you can see this is a perfect bottle. Just check the wireframe mode. You can see this bottle, it have a bottom. Then it have thickness, and then it have the shapes. Then actually what I need to do is just draw half of the cross section of the bottles at XY plane. Then I can generate this type of the bottle. So start from now, I'm going to show you the step by step. So first I'm going to just create a fresh new Blender project, and I will show you from beginning everything just step by step from beginning. Now the Blender 3.6 is loading. I just need to wait for a while. Once it already loaded, just click at the empty place and press A to delete everything. Press delete to delete everything. Then now you can see this is I use the mouse middle button to turn. The first step, just add a mesh, add a cube, then go to the edit modes, right click, merge the vertices at the center. Now it already become just a vertex. Then make sure that you view in XY plane, then click Z. And actually this is a vertex. What I'm going to do is just extrude it. Alright, just now it's like this. This is 1 meter, 1 meters, 1 meters grid. Then click the Z, you can view in XY plane. Then from here, you can move this and press G to move it. This is just a vertex. So now I'm going to just use this vertex. I press E to extrude. I'm going to draw the shape. I'm going to draw the shape of the bottle that I want to create. Draw it in XY plane like this. Alright. Let's say this is the shape, and then I'm going to create the thickness. Just press E to extrude the thickness and press X like this. Then the bottom, you still need to have a thickness. So what you are going to do is just move this point, or you can just press G to move it like this. Alright. Then click here to select the vertex. Select this and press E to extrude and press X to make sure it is at X axis. Then move the vertex this point and press G to move along the X axis like this. Make sure it is over the green line and do not exceed too much. Press G and press X. Now we can see this is the thickness of the bottle, and this is the bottom. Once done already, back to the object modes. Then rename from the cube to become shapes of bottle. This is actually the cross section. Then right click it, convert to a curve. Once you already have this, then click Add, Mesh, Circle, right click the circle, convert to a curve. Then click here, make sure you selected the circle curve. Then scroll down under the geometry, under the bevel, click object, and the object you have to select the shape of the bottle. Then the offset, change it to become -1 or what we call -1. Now you can see your bottle is already generated, and this is really a perfect bottle. Just rename this, but before that right click it, convert to mesh, and then rename this as bottle. Once done already, then you can export as FBX. And before that, I'm going to give it a material. Just give it a color. I'm going to view the material's color. Right. Once done already, actually, you already can export as FBX so that you can use it in any other 3D software. Right, now if I view in wireframe mode, you can see it really have the thickness. It is really double layer, it have the thickness. This is really a 3D bottle. And then you can export as FBX. Right, to export as FBX, I just click File, Export the FBX. The path mode I choose Copy. This is to make sure all of the materials and texture embedded inside the FBX. And I'm going to export it on my desktop. Name this as Bottle02. I click Export FBX. Then it already become a 3D model. You can share with your friends. You can bring this 3D model, import into the 3D software like the iClone, Unreal Engine, Unity, Maya, etc. If I double click in Windows tab, it is going to open by using the 3D viewer. It is really amazing. This color just a little bit dark. I'm going to adjust the color again to make sure it is brighter. Sometimes different types of the rendering engines, it have different effect. So I use this as I use this to see the color. I click File, Export, FBX. Again, I override it and check again. Yes, this is exactly the color that I chosen just now. Right. That's all for today about my tutorials on how to create bottles in any shapes. Just in minutes you can make it. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharing, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animation and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharing, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animation and 3D game developing. See you!